Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add phone number in your Monday.com dashboard. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Monday.com and then just click here on Add Column Plus, and right here you want to click More Columns and just simply write in search phone, right? And then you're gonna see Add to Board, and then I'll just add here number. And as you can see, it's automatically added, and someone can click on it and pick an app or for mobile, and they can directly call it. So this is pretty much it how we do it. And thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.